Find the values of a and b such that the function defined by this particular set of things is continuous. The function is continuous. First thing is, how many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns. And how many equations will we require? 2 equations. Where will we get that? Well, we have 2 points of concern. One is at 2 and one is at 10. So at 2 and at 10. That's the funda. Right? So keeping this in mind, we can solve this. So we have limit f of x as x tends towards 2. Should we approach from left hand side or right hand side? See, let's have a look. F of 2 is 5. And before that, for values which is less than 2, we have it to be 5. So you have to approach from the right hand side. Does it make sense? Only then we'll get an expression which is limit x tends toward 2 plus ax plus b is equal to 5. Right? When I substitute this in place of x, 2a plus b is equal to 5. This is direct substitution. And I forgot to write this as function is continuous, right? We need to mention that also. Because of that, I'm able to write this. So this is your equation 1. Similarly, we have limit f of x as x tends towards 10. That should be equal to f of 10. Right? And now we have the following scenario. So x is greater than 10. So we don't get a different value. X less than 10, we get a different value. So let me approach it that way. Right? Again, we need to approach in a way wherein it will give us a different expression. If it's the same expression, there's no point. And this is 21. Now, when I substitute it, this is 10a plus b is equal to 21. Now, from 1 and 2, what can you tell? So we can solve this by multiplying 2, or we can just subtract it actually. 2 minus 1. So we'll end up with 2a or 10a actually plus b is equal to 21, and the other one is 2a I guess plus b is equal to 10, right, is equal to 5. Okay, so we are flipping the sign. So this will become minus, this will become minus, and this will become minus. So this 2 will cancel each other. And this is 8a is equal to, this is 16. Yeah. And a is equal to 2. Substituting a in one of the equations, sub in 1 or 2 or whatever that is. Which one is 1? Okay, doesn't matter actually, but so 2 times of 2 plus p is equal to 5. So therefore p is equal to 1. That's it. So finally you can summarize the answer. A comma b is equal to 2 comma 1. So that would be your answer.